have sprinkler overspray or hard water on your windows, the best product in the world is Easy Clean. It is the #1 cleaner for hard water windows. Along with our XL scrubber, it makes it an easy process, and I'll show you how. Now that I have my professional Ettore bucket, a little bit of water, my XL scrubber, I'm gonna damp the window just a little bit, and now we're ready for the Easy Clean product. Now with my Easy Clean product, I'm gonna apply it directly onto my XL scrubber pad. Get it nice and drenched, and I'll apply it onto the window just like this. Very simple, very easy. And you don't need to put a lot of pressure. Let the cleaning product do the work. Now that I'm finished scrubbing, give it a few minutes and let that hard water just disappear. Within minutes, I have a beautiful window, and all it took was just this product here.
If you're ready to clean your windows the easy way, today we have a limited time offer. If you purchase Easy Clean, we will give you a white scrubber for free, which is perfect for applying the product on the windows and it won't hurt your wrist. So all you have to do is purchase online and pick up in store. Also, check out our next video for another special offer on a squeegee kit that will leave you with a streak-free finish.